people that have the target on their back, are they the colonels, lieutenant colonels, even generals versus, your lance corporal, right? So are you finding that more, that they're kind of going after that, or are they going after the lance corporals because they're easier targets, because they think that they're going to have an easier win?
Well, I think it's both, right? And I don't think one's mutually exclusive. When you have officer misconduct, it becomes very high visibility, very quick. Whether it's the CCIR that goes up, or just the amount of assets that get put on that. So if you are an officer and there's allegations of misconduct against you, and it could be something like PAC violations in the Marine Corps, where you have junior Marines who don't like your leadership style, and I'll file. Let me give you a great example. But let's say you have a warrant officer or a staff NCO, and the junior Marines don't like their leadership style, so now they file these PAC allegations against you, or go to make these anonymous complaints. Well, they're going to look into that, and they may put a lot more effort into prosecuting that potentially than they would for a junior soldier or a junior Marine. So clearly, if there is misconduct that's alleged against someone more senior, I don't want to say they take it more seriously, but they put a lot more assets at it. And at the same time, these law enforcement agents, again, many of them, not all of them, of course, there are some really good ones that are out there. I think they look at these junior soldiers and these junior Marines or junior sailors as easy targets or easy marks, that they're going to bring them in and they're bringing them to do some BS rapport building and get them to do a statement. They're going to twist their words, get them to make a confession, and they're going to be easy marks, where you're not going to have that with a senior officer. So I don't think there's one or the other. I think it's different different. Talk about TTPs. The different TTPs that law enforcement uses based on the experience and the rank of an accused. And maybe that's human nature, but it's certainly not uniform. We should look at these allegations of crime and base the investigation on the allegation and how meritorious it is, not if we're dealing with a lance corporal or a command sergeant major.